Hey guys and girls, I hope you're doing great. इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं एक लिस्ट उन सॉफ्टवेयर्स की जिन्हें आप फ्री में एक्सेस कर सकते हैं बाय योर एजुकेशनल ईमेल आईडी एंड ट्रस्ट मी दिस वीडियो इज अ मस्ट वॉच. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एजुकेशनल ईमेल आईडी होती क्या है? अगर आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं, सो ईदर फ्रॉम कॉलेज और फ्रॉम द यूनिवर्सिटी आपको एक ईमेल आईडी मिलती है, उसे ही एजुकेशनल ईमेल कहते हैं. जनरली एजुकेशनल ईमेल्स एंड्स विद .ac.in या फिर .edu. Before moving on to the list, there is a request from my side. अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं, so consider subscribing. And if you have already subscribed, then please help me out to increase my reach. All of my social media handles are in the description below. Let's connect. Now moving on to the list, the first one is not a software, but instead it's a pack of softwares. And I'm talking about GitHub Student Developer Pack. Talking about this pack, there are a lot of offers that you can avail. And you can see the list of all the offers that are available here on this website, and to get here just search GitHub Student Pack and you will be here, or else I can put the link in the description so you can click on it. The things I personally like from this pack are right here: Canva, Pro subscription and JetBrains IDs. You must have heard about them. CLAN, PyCharm and many others are there. Now the next thing is, how do we apply for this pack? To apply for this pack, you must have a GitHub account. Now you might say, I have a GitHub account, but I don't want to make another one with the educational email ID. So no issues, just put the educational email ID in the secondary email IDs portion under the GitHub settings, right? So you can connect those accounts and then apply for this pack. You can apply for this pack right here. Get your pack here on individuals, students, get students benefit. Now you just have to sign up here, and then you have successfully applied for the GitHub Student Developer Pack, and you will receive the notification that your pack has been approved in about 5 or 6 days. Next thing on the list is Microsoft Office 365. You can use the Office 365 for free, but there's a thing to it. You can use only the web version. That is, you can use Office 365 on your browser. You cannot install it on your PC. Hey, but still, it's cool. Again, to apply for it, you just have to get here on this website, the link to which is in the description, or you can search it out yourself. Just put your educational email here and follow some instructions. Then you have your Office 365. The next thing on the list is Notion. Have you noticed this application that I am using for showing you the list? This is Notion. Let me give you a quick introduction. Notion is a professional notes taking app, and it's really amazing. You can also use it on your phone too. Now, how to apply for it? Again, there is this link. Just get on it. You will see something like this: Notion for Education. Scroll down, then you can see it is free for individual students and educators. Try Notion free. Now you just have to sign it up with your educational email address, and then you have applied for Notion, and you will receive the confirmation in about 2 or 3 days. Next up on the list is Figma. If you are into user interface or user experience designing, then you must have heard about Figma. It is a very famous tool for that domain. Let me show you how to apply for this. Here is the link. It will bring you here. You can apply it right here, but before applying, let's see how it works. You just have to click on the apply now. Next up, confirm if you are a student. Okay. Give them a reason why you are applying for Figma, and check for your school or college in the list. And if your college is not listed, just provide the details of your college name and your college's website. Click on submit button to complete the application process, and you will receive the confirmation in about 3 or 4 days. Next up on the list is Protopie. It is a tool for creating awesome prototypes, and creating prototypes comes in the domain of product designing. It is also a design tool and it is really amazing tool. If you get on its website here, protopie.io, it is its official website. You can see here that there are many using to it and the UI is really awesome. And to get the educational plan, you just have to scroll all the way down here, and in the plans search for students and teachers, and under for students you have to click on apply for access. You just have to fill out this basic information and click on submit. Then you have successfully applied for Protopie and you will receive your confirmation for the Protopie educational plan in about 2 or 3 days. Next, there are Autodesk softwares. If you are pursuing BTech, then you might have heard of him. For those who haven't, these are industry level softwares which are used for engineering designs, 3D modeling and electrical designs and many more things. Again, here is this link. If you get there, you will see this web page. Just click on get products. Then here, get started. Just fill out the form and all the instructions will be given in the next, and then you will have access to all the Autodesk softwares. You can download and use them on your PC. That was all for this video. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and share it with your friends right now. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.